Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete your Vercel project. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have admin access to the project that you want to delete, and this will help you manage your Vercel projects and remove unused projects safely. So first, open your Vercel dashboard, and once you're here, make sure that you already have your projects here, and then what you will do is basically just select the project that you want to delete, and then you will just have to click settings and scroll down to danger zone or something like that, and then you will just have to click delete, and after that a pop-up will appear, and then you will just have to basically type your project name to confirm the deletion, and then click confirm, and finally the project will be permanently deleted. And make sure that you really want to delete it before confirming so. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.